Hello, today I want to talk to you about mental health. This is something I'm deeply passionate about. Besides the fact that here at Her Smile, we believe that you are what you do, what you eat, what you think, and what you wear. I believe that we are influenced by all those things, and that's why it's really important that we get them right. So in your brain, there is this thing called the hippocampus, which is responsible for your mental health, basically, because it's what creates your brain cells. And as long as you're creating healthy brain cells, you will be preventing yourself from dementia, from Alzheimer's and depression. But when you start thinking negatively, your hippocampus stops producing healthy brain cells, and then you are susceptible to mental health issues. So how can we prevent this? Well, as long as the hippocampus is creating healthy brain cells, you won't be susceptible to those illnesses. So how do we create healthy brain cells? Well, inside your brain, there is what we are led to believe look like healthy broccolis in your head, little trees, okay? And these little trees are responsible for your mental health. As long as you are thinking healthy, you will be creating these beautiful, healthy trees in your brain, okay? That's what we are led to believe that they look like. I'm not the scientist, okay? But when you start thinking negatively, they start to die. So what can we do to improve the health of our hippocampus, of our brain cells, to get the hippocampus to create new brain cells? Well, what we do is we have to get back to Her Smile's philosophy, and that is you need to exercise. So it's about doing. When you are exercising, your body is happy and your immune system is boosted and your brain starts to create healthy brain cells. When you are eating nutritiously, the same thing. Your brain is happy, your body is happy, and the brain creates healthy brain cells. And when you are thinking positively, the same. So when you are eating incorrectly, not exercising, and thinking negatively, your brain breaks down and the hippocampus stops creating healthy brain cells. And so we are told that it looks like dead trees in your head, okay? So what can you do about it? Simple. You are what you do. Get out and move. Which gets me to my 10-day challenge. It costs you $10, but it is fully refundable if you complete the challenge. And any profits made go to a charity. So I'm not making anything out of it. I'm just trying to kickstart you, okay? So the link will be below for you to book in and buy your ticket to the next one. Don't hesitate. Do it. Let's get you started. Let's get those brain cells creating healthy ones, okay? So we need to get you moving. So get started by buying your ticket to the 10-day challenge. 2, look at what you're eating. Next week's theme in the group is what you are, what you eat, okay? So follow the posts next week, okay? And then think, this was this week's theme. You are what you think, okay? So it's Friday. What are you going to do about it? You've got the whole weekend ahead of you to now fix the problem. So you're going to go out and walk, and you're going to buy your ticket to the 10-day challenge, which is if you can walk, you can do the challenge, all right? You are what you think, so you're going to start thinking like I've posted all week. You're going to make sure that you are very careful about what you think and only think positively. You have a choice. It's all about you, okay? Make the effort, take the action, make the choice, the right choice. And then food. Look at that food on your plate, and is it really nutritious? And if you're not sure, ask me, okay? I'm here. But I will be posting next week about food. So that's your homework. Get out and move. Look at what you're eating. Be aware of what you're thinking. Have a great weekend.